Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. So I very welcome you to all to this Bmc Vtc online video session. And students, today we are going to learn about mathematics in standard 8th, and today we are observing percentage bar graph. So let us see these all explanation by this presentation. So here is the percentage bar diagram, जिसे हम उर्दू में फीसदी सुतूनी तरसीम का खाका कहते हैं, जिसे हम यहाँ पर मज़ीद जिसके बारे में मज़ीद यहाँ पर मालूमात हासिल करेंगे। तो बच्चों, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर कि दी गई मालूमात को फ़ीसदी में तब्दील करके जो तकसीमी सुतूनी तरसीम बनाते हैं, इसे फ़ीसदी सुतूनी तरसीम कहते हैं आमतौर पर। A subdivided bar graph which is drawn by converting the data into percentage is called a percentage bar graph. So the following table shows the number of students in each of the 4 divisions of standard 8th and the number of students passed in mathematics. So here is the table, and you are observing that here are some division, and that is the standard 8 division A, B and C and D. So number of students in each class is 55, 56, 52 and 80, and students passed in mathematics. So in division A of standard 8, 44 students passed. Here you will observe 42 students, here 39 students, and here 41 students from 80, and from 50 to 39, from 56 42, here 50, from 55 44 students passed. So what suppose we have to do here, तो हमें यहाँ पर इस मालूमात के ज़रिए फ़ीसदी सुतूनी तरसीम बनाना है। ओके, तो पहले हम रियाजी में कामयाब होने वाले तलबा की फ़ीसदी तादाद को ज़ाहिर करने वाली जदुल यहाँ पर बनाएंगे। ओके, जिसमें हम क्या निकालेंगे, हम जिसमें निकालेंगे कि जो फ़ीसद है वो कितना है। जैसे 55 में से 44 स्टूडेंट्स अगर मैथमेटिक्स में पास हुए, तो we have to make out the percentage from it. So we have to make a table for it. So percentage of the students failing in mathematics. So यहाँ पर हमें ऐसे बच्चों की तादाद निकालनी है जो मैथमेटिक्स में पास हुए ना। फर्स्ट वे पेपर showing the percentage of first we prepare a table showing the percentage of students passing in mathematics. Okay, so here percentage of mathematics failing in percentage of students failing in mathematics, and then percentage of students passing in mathematics. So here we are supposed to make out the two part of it. So first we are going to analyze the percentage of students passing in mathematics. Okay, and then first we'll see the passing. Okay, and then we'll observing failing percent. Okay, so here is 44 upon 55 into 100, so the percentage is 80 here. Okay, you know that how we got that one. So this one is 50, 11 fours are 44 and 11 fives are 55. So 5 twos are 10, then you will see here will be 0. So 4 20s are 80. So the percentage of failing the percentage of passing of students. What passing? Okay, so passing percentage is 80. Okay, in Ateequrrahman. Now we are observing in the failing percentage. So you will see here that we already got that the 80% of students are passed, so we minus from 100 the 80 and we will get here the 20, means the 20% of students are failed in mathematics. So here are the failed students. Okay, here are the failed students. Now we will move for the next here, and you will see here the 56 students from 56 students are total in B division, and 42 students are passed in mathematics. So how many of them are passing? So the 40%, 42 students passed, so the percentage of 42 from 56 is 75. Okay, so you will see here that the percentage is 75. Okay, here. Now what is the percent of students who failed in standard 8th B division? So 75% is here. So in 100 we minus here 75, so we will get here 25%. Okay, so 25% students are failed here. Now we will move for the C division, and you see that 52 students are total there. 39 students are passed in mathematics subjects. So first we have to find out the percentage of 39 from 52. So 39 upon 52 into 100, so we'll get here 75. Okay, so 75% students are passed here in mathematics, means similarly 100 minus 75 means 25 students, 25% of students in standard C are failed. And now we'll move for the D division, and in this division you are observing that for 80 students are total in the class, 41 students are passed. So the percentage of passing of students from, actually this one is 50 not 80. Okay, this one is a 50. So 41 upon 50 into 100 means it will be 80 here. So 100 minus 82 and we'll get here 18%. Okay, so like this we can first mark out the percentage, and then we can prepare a bar graph for it. So here we are going to prepare a bar graph. So just we have to mark out x and y axis on bar graph. So we have to mark out the scale. So y, so you see that y axis 1 centimeter for 10% of students, and here we selected the color of bar graph students failing in mathematics, so that is a white indicator, and students passing in mathematics are the gray in color. So first in percentage bar graph, all bars of height is 100 units. Okay, so just we mark that one up to 100, and second one, in each bar we show the percentage of students passing. Okay, the remaining part shows the percentage of failure. Okay, so in the third point is a percentage bar graph is a specific type of subdivided bar graph. Okay, so the remaining procedure of drawing this bar graph is the same as that of a subdivided bar graph. Okay, so here is a table we already made in last slide. So what suppose we have to do here, so we have to prepare a bar graph by using this table. Okay, so first of all, in a division, this one is up to 100%. Okay, and now what is the percentage of passing of students? So you will see here that 80% students are passed. Okay, and now in B division, what is the percentage of passing of students? So there are 75% of students passed in B division. And now we will see that how many students passed in C division. So you will see that 75% is also in standard 8 C division, and the same in division D of standard 8, the passing percent of students is up to 82%. Okay, so here is the bar graph for students of standard 8th who are passed in mathematics subject. So like this we can prepare many bar graph like this. Okay, now we'll move for the exercise practice at 11.3, and we are supposed to solve the first question, and that is show the following information by percentage bar graph, and that table is on your screen, students. So the division of standard 8 is on your screen: A, B, C and D. The number of students scoring grade A, the total number of students. So here are the total number of students, 60, and from that 45 students got grade A, and in a division B, 33 students from 55 students got the A grade, and in standard C you will see that 40 out of 10 out of 40 students got the A grade, and in division D, 15 out of 75 students got the A grade. Now what we have to do here, first we are supposed to get here the percentage of students securing grade A, and then the percentage of the students remaining students. Okay, so first of all we are just pointing out here the percentage of a student securing grade A. So 45 upon 60 into 100, so you will say that 15 3s are 45 and 15 4s are 60, and you will see that 4 2s are 8, 0 will be remaining, and 4 5s are 20. So you will see here 3 into 25, it will be 75. So what is the percentage here? So you will see here the 75 percentage is here in division A. So you will see that how much students are remaining here. So you will see here that 100 minus 75 will be 25. So 25% are remaining to securing A grade. Okay, like this same we are supposed to do the B, C and D division also. So in B division, 33 from 55, so 33 upon 55 into 100 means you will see here that 11 threes are and 11 fives are 55, then 520 is 100. So you will see here that 3 into 20 will be 60 here. So you will see here that the 60% is of B division students who are securing the grade A. So how many students are remaining to securing the same grade? 40 here. 100 minus 60 is equal to 40 here. Now we'll discuss more about C division. So only 10 students from 40 students, so 10 upon 40 into 100 means you will see here that this 0 and this 0 will cancel, and 4 ones are 4 and 4 25 is a 100 here. So percentage will be 25 here for class C. So 25 minus 100, so result will be 75. So 75% students are remaining to securing the grade A. And now we are moving for the D division, and in this division you are looking at 15 students of 75 students. So 15 upon 75 into 100 is equal to, you are observing that 15 ones are 15 and 15 for 15 fives are 75. So 520 will be the 100 here. So 20 will be the answer here. So you're observing that the 20% of students securing the grade A of division D. So 100 minus 20 would be 80. So 80% students are remaining for securing a grade. Okay, and now you understand here, and now we got the data here that how many percentage are there for standard A, B and C of 8 standard. So now we can now easily draw the bar graph. Okay, so here we are supposed to mark out first x and y axis, and on x axis we are marking the A, B and C division, and on y axis we are marking the percentage. Okay, now you are looking there on y axis 1 centimeter for 10% of students here. Okay, so you will see here that the A division securing how much percentage. So here is a 75%. Okay, so up to 75 we are supposed to mark it. Okay, up to 75%. Okay, so 75 actually will be here. Here is the mark for 75%. So it would be up to this area only. Okay, this is just done in by mistake here. So this one 25, you are looking here, this one is 70 and this one is a 75. Okay, so up to this area we can make the bar graph showing for the passing students for A grade. Now move for the next division, that is B, and you will see that this one is up to 60% here. Okay, So you will see here that it would be up to 60%. So this one is a 60%, and you are looking that this one is the mark out for the 61% here. Okay, now looking for the C division, and C, you know that C is a 25%. So this one is 20 and this one is a 25. So you will see here that 25% of mark is on your screen here. So it would be like this. And now for the D division, you're looking that D division is up to 20%. So it is up to 20% here only. Okay, like this. So we can easily mark out it like this. So it is very easy, students. You can easily mark out the percentage. Okay, so hope, students, that you understand it, how to draw a bar graph. Okay, now we'll move for the next question, and that is on your screen. Observe the following bar graph and answer the question. So here is a bar graph on your screen. Okay, so first question, state the type of bar graph. It is a percentage bar graph. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हमें बताना है सबसे पहले कि ये किस किस्म का बार ग्राफ है. ठीक है, तो हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर किस किस्म का बार ग्राफ है ये. तो आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर कि ये जो बार ग्राफ है ये जो है तो सुतूनी तरसीम फीसदी सुतूनी तरसीम का बार ग्राफ है ना. क्या है ये? सुतूनी तरसीम का जो है तो फीसदी सुतूनी तरसीम का ग्राफ है. ठीक है, इसकी तरसीम है ये. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद दूसरा सवाल है यहाँ पर कि हाउ मच परसेंट इज इन द टूर और प्रोडक्शन production to the total production in अजीता's farm. यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे कि अजीत के खेत में तुअर की पैदावार कुल पैदावार के कितने फीसद है. So if you are observing here, so you will see that तुअर production is 60%. ठीक है, अजीत के खेत में तुअर की पैदावार कुल पैदावार का 60% है. ओके, एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज whose percentage production of tuar is the least. यहाँ पर अगला सवाल है कि सबसे कम तुअर की पैदावार का फीसद किसका है. ओके, सो यू विल सी हियर द परसेंटेज ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ the तुअर is least in सुधा's farm. यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि सुधा के खेत में तुअर की पैदावार का फीसद जो है तो सबसे कम है. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पर ओनली 40% ही उसकी पैदावार है ना, इस तरह से. एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज स्टेट द प्रोडक्शन परसेंटेज ऑफ तुअर एंड ग्राम इन सुधा's फार्म. यहाँ पर सुधा के पास हमें यहाँ पर बताना है कि उसके पास जो है तो चना की और तुअर की पैदावार कितने परसेंट है. ठीक है, तो आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर कि सुधा के तुअर और चने की पैदावार का फीसद हमें मालूम करना है यहाँ पर. तो आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर कि सुधा के खेत में तुअर की पैदावार का फीसद जो है तो 40 है ना, ये हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर. ठीक है, इसी तरह से चने की पैदावार का परसेंटेज कितना है उसके पास, तो ये 60% है ना, ये यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं इस तरह से, है ना. तो इस तरह से द परसेंटेज प्रोडक्शन ऑफ तुअर इन सुधा's farm is 40% and the percentage production of gram is 60. Okay, now the fourth last one question is here. Compare the production of gram in the फार्म ऑफ यश एंड रवि। यहाँ पर हमें यश और रवि के खेतों में चने की पैदावार का मवाजना करना है और इनमें से किसके खेत में चने की पैदावार का फीसद कितना ज़्यादा है वो बताना है हमें, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे, कंपेयर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ग्राम इन द farm of Yash and Ravi and state whose percentage of production more and by how much. Okay, so the gram production Yash farm is 50% and in Ravi's farm is 30%. You see here Yash is around 50%. This one is this marks is for Yash here, the 50% mark, and Ravi form is here 30%. Okay, and the 50% for So students, there is some important questions in a description box, so you're supposed to solve that questions, and there is also a feedback form in the description box, so kindly fill that form. तो बच्चों, आपको सेशन के बाद में डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाना है और वहाँ चंद अहम सवालात दिए गए हैं, उन्हें हल करना है, और उसके बाद आपके तासुरात का जायज़ा लेने के लिए एक गूगल फॉर्म डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है, उसे आपको पुर करना है।